we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
6. Do not microwave blue cheese. It melts it and turns the cheese into a pile of blue goo without any texture. It also releases all of the moldy blue cheese odor, all at once.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.